Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you what are the Sigil Stones. Sigil Stones are powerful artifacts that control Oblivion Gates. In order to close Oblivion Gate, you need to find the Sigil Stone in the Gates plane of Oblivion and remove it. The Sigil Stone is located in the Sigillum Sanguis at the top of the main tower. Once you pick it up, you will gain one claim point. The Oblivion Gate will close and you will automatically be returned to Tamriel in the chart region where the gate was previously located. You will acquire one Sigil Stone for each Oblivion Gate that you close. There may be up to 60 gates. You can use Sigil Stones to enchant one item. Once taken, each Sigil Stone can be used to enchant one item, and to do this, select Sigil Stone from your inventory. Select any unenchanted non-quest item in your inventory and name the new item. Once you are done, the Sigil Stone will vanish. Unlike standard enchanting, this can be done anywhere. It does not require soul gem and does not cost any gold. There are different types of Sigil Stones. From level 1 to level 4, there are Descendant. From 5 to 8, Subjacent. Latent from 9 to 12, from 13 to 16 Ascended, and 17 plus Transcendent. The strength on the stone is determined by your level at the moment you pick it up. Each Sigil Stone can give you different effects. For example, Descendant Stones give you 5 points in Absorb, 7 points in Fortified Agility, 5 points in Absorb Endurance, 15 points Resist Diseases, and many more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.